Okay, let's look at the homework 3.5, 3.6, problem number 8. Alright, so we want to find the derivative of arctangent of square root of 1 minus x over 1 plus x. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so remember that we know how to take the derivative of arctangent. So if you arctangent of say just x, right? So if you take the derivative of that, and we learned that it was 1 over 1 plus x squared, right? So let's use that to take the derivative, right? So y prime is going to be equal to, right, take the derivative of the outside function, which is going to be this guy, but we have to plug in square root of 1 minus x over 1 plus x, where x is, right? So you're going to have 1 over 1 plus, right, square root of 1 minus x over 1 plus x, but you just need to square the whole thing, right? Then multiply by, right, derivative of the inside function, right? And before we maybe take the derivative, we can see that this is an arctangent of, right, so this guy can be rewritten as, right, oh, maybe I need a big parenthesis here, 1 minus x over 1 plus x raised to the 1/2 power, right? So if you take the derivative of the inside function, we put the 1/2 in front, right? Keep the same quantity, so it's going to be 1 minus x over 1 plus x. Subtract 1 from the power, so negative 1/2 power, right? Then multiply by derivative of the inside function, right? So it's another chain rule, so that's a quotient rule there, right? Square the bottom, 1 plus x squared, right? Then derivative of the top is negative 1 times the bottom is 1 plus x minus top is 1 minus x, derivative of the bottom is 1, right? So we have that, right? Then try to simplify as much as possible, right? So first we can cancel square root and squared, right? That we can do. And here on top, this is going to be, there's a negative x here, and you're going to have a positive x there, so you can cancel those, right? And what's left would be negative 1 minus 1. So the numerator here is actually negative 2, right? So we can cancel, there's a 2 on the bottom, and there's 2 on top. Right, so that's going to be negative 1 here, right? So let's write it out. So there's going to be a negative sign, so we definitely put a negative sign here, right? Then there's 1 over, right? Let's see, let's make sure we took care of this negative 1 here. And we also took care of this 1 here, alright? And then on the bottom you have, I'm going to just multiply this out, so this guy distributed to 1, we will get quantity 1 plus x squared, right? And if you distribute that here, you're going to get, you can cancel one of the x, 1 plus x, 1 plus x, so I'm distributing it to, oops, distributing it to here. All right, then one of the cancel out, so you're gonna have simply plus, right, 1 minus x times another 1 plus x. So it's gonna be just I'm gonna just write a 1 minus x squared, right? Then here, so it's a negative power, so actually 1/2 power, so that's going to be a square root. All right, negative power is just a reciprocal, so I'm going to put 1 plus x on top over 1 minus x. Let's see, so we took care of this guy, and we took care of this guy, and we took care of that guy. All right. And I think that's it, right? So we took care of everyone. So it doesn't look very nice, but all right. So let's just type this guy in and see if the system accepts it. All right. So it was negative 1 over a quantity 1 plus x squared plus x minus x squared. All right, then you have a square root of 1 plus x, and then divided by, actually maybe I have to highlight this whole thing. Oops. All right, maybe I should do fraction here. So fraction, and 1 plus x divided by, let's see, 1 minus x. All right, so let's check. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.